Hey, I'm Sean. If you're here, you're probably someone who performs well across most areas of your life. But you know you're capable of more consistency, more presence, more control across all areas of your life. This program is not about motivation or hype. It's about standards. This program is a structured coaching system built on time-tested habits and straightforward execution. The same kind of standards you see in high-performance environments. We don't waste time, we don't complain, we take consistent daily action. The program's divided into two phases. Phase 1 is a 30-day daily standard challenge. For 30 days, we practice 6 non-negotiable daily standards that stabilize our energy, discipline, and our emotions. Once that foundation is in place, we move on to the life blueprint and integration phase, where we create your life vision and your annual goals for the year. Then we integrate them into your current lifestyle. We do it gradually and sustainably. The founding cohort focuses on the initial 4-week daily standard phase. During that phase, we do both private and group coaching. If you're ready to take ownership and execute, apply below, and I look forward to reviewing your application.